Welcome to my channel. Today, we are diving deep into the future of gaming with the all-new ASUS ROG Strix G16 gaming laptop, the 2024 model that redefines power, performance, and gaming aesthetics. You can check the link below to get this at the best price today. Let's explore what makes this gaming laptop a true powerhouse and a must-have for gamers in 2024. First off, let's talk about the design. The ASUS ROG Strix G16 is crafted with precision and boasts a stunning, aggressive design that immediately catches the eye. It's not just about looks, though. The build quality is top-notch, with premium materials that ensure durability and a solid feel. The laptop's sleek, modern lines are complemented by customizable RGB lighting that runs across the chassis and the keyboard. The RGB keyboard is not just about aesthetics. It's designed to enhance your gaming experience. With per-key RGB customization, you can create unique lighting profiles for different games or moods, making your setup truly yours. Whether you're playing in the dark or in a well-lit room, the vibrant lighting adds a layer of immersion to your gaming sessions. Now, let's dive into the display. The Strix G16 features a stunning 16-inch Full HD display with a blistering 240 Hz refresh rate. This means you get incredibly smooth visuals with zero lag, which is crucial for fast-paced games where every millisecond counts. The display also boasts a 3 milliseconds response time, ensuring that you never miss a beat. With 100% sRGB coverage and excellent color accuracy, the visuals are not only smooth but also vibrant and true to life. This makes the Strix G16 perfect not just for gaming, but also for content creation and media consumption. Whether you're exploring open-world games, engaging in intense firefights, or watching your favorite movies, the display delivers an immersive and enjoyable experience. Under the hood, the Strix G16 is a beast. It's powered by the latest 13th Gen Intel Core i9 processor, which delivers unparalleled performance for gaming, multitasking, and productivity. Whether you're streaming, recording, or playing the latest AAA titles, this processor can handle it all with ease. Pairing this with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 GPU means you're getting the best of the best in terms of graphics performance. The RTX 4080 brings ray tracing and AI-enhanced graphics to the table, providing realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections that make your games look better than ever. The combination of the Intel i9 and the RTX 4080 ensures that you can run any game at the highest settings without any hiccups. One of the standout features of the Strix G16 is the ROG Intelligent Cooling System. No matter how intense your gaming sessions get, this cooling system ensures that your laptop stays cool and quiet. The advanced thermal design includes a comprehensive cooling solution with high-performance fans, heat pipes, and large vents that efficiently dissipate heat. This means you can game for hours on end without worrying about overheating or thermal throttling. The laptop remains cool to the touch, and the noise levels are kept to a minimum, allowing you to stay focused on your game. Connectivity is another area where the Strix G16 excels. It comes equipped with a wide array of ports, including USB 3.2, HDMI 2.1, and the latest Thunderbolt 4. This means you can easily connect all your gaming peripherals, external displays, and other devices without any hassle. The Thunderbolt 4 port is particularly impressive, offering blazing fast data transfer speeds and the ability to connect to multiple high-resolution displays. Whether you're setting up a multi-monitor gaming rig or connecting to external storage, the Strix G16 has you covered. Let's not forget about the audio experience. The Strix G16 features high-quality speakers with smart amp technology that delivers powerful, clear, and immersive sound. Whether you're listening to in-game soundtracks, engaging in voice chats, or watching movies, the audio quality is exceptional. The laptop also supports Dolby Atmos, providing a surround sound experience that makes you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. For those who prefer gaming with headphones, the laptop offers high-res audio certification, ensuring that you get the best audio experience possible. Battery life is another critical factor for gamers on the go, and the Strix G16 does not disappoint. It features a long-lasting battery that ensures you can game, stream, or work for extended periods without needing to recharge. And when you do need to recharge, the fast charging technology ensures that you can quickly get back to your activities. With the ability to charge up to 50% in just 30 minutes, downtime is minimized, allowing you to stay productive and entertained. The Strix G16 is not just a gaming laptop, it's a versatile machine designed to meet all your needs. Whether you're a casual gamer, a professional streamer, or someone who needs a powerful laptop for work and play, the Strix G16 is built to deliver. Its robust performance, stunning display, and advanced cooling system make it an ideal choice for anyone looking to take their gaming experience to the next level. To sum it up, the ASUS ROG Strix G16 gaming laptop is a perfect blend of power, performance, and aesthetics. It's designed to elevate your gaming experience with its powerful hardware, stunning display, advanced cooling system, and excellent connectivity options. Whether you're playing the latest AAA titles, creating content, or simply enjoying media, the Strix G16 is built to impress. Don't just play the game, own it with the ASUS ROG Strix G16. Visit our website or your nearest retailer to get yours today and join the Republic of Gamers. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and gaming content.